In this video, I'd like to demonstrate how to create an activity in Seesaw. So as a teacher, I'll begin by clicking the green plus sign, and I'm going to browse the activity library. On this screen, once it opens up, you can go to My Library in order to create your own. So we'll start here with Create a New Activity. We'll begin with the title of it, and I think we'll call this one showing, oops, caps lock off, showing my math. And then here we'll type the instructions. Show me how to add 3-digit numbers on the drawing app. So once I save that, then I can show this and share it to my students. I'll share it with all my class by clicking Share with One Class. And once everybody gets into here now, they'll be able to get to that activity. I can go back to the class. When we click Add, then I'll be the sample student now. We'll go to this screen. We'll access the Drawing tab. And in here we can add some text, 321 and 245. I can then have the students, oops, we'll put no box around there. The students can take their whatever pen they want, and they can demonstrate then how to add 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 3 plus 2 is 5. What's really nice about this is they can go back in and they can change the color. So if they want to write in a new color, they could show me 731 plus 200, oops, that's a little big, 84. And that's how they would change a color. They can just slide this little box. This pen right here makes it glow. That one's kind of fun. If they don't like something, they can click on the eraser and just get rid of it. When they're finished, they need to click the check mark, and that will add it to my sample students journal.